Hello, welcome again Bitcoin World Crypto. Today we are discussing Socialogue platform. Socialogue is implementing social features and changing the way creators and collectors communicate. We are redefining the word community and the industry itself. This is the second part of the video. In the first part we know its basic, and now we are discussing its interact, express, follow and influence. You can send direct message to creators, sellers, collectors and any other community members. You can follow members and impress them by witness every step of their journey on Socialogue. Make an impact by creating your own following or joining the DAO Senate. You are welcome to the both on Socialogue influence. And this is the detail of NFT gaming platform. First is metaverse, second is variety, third is NFTs and DAOs and rewards. The new exciting era of gaming, all type of games created Socialogue other developers. An extra edge and thrill throughout into a gaming experience, real life like adventures that can get your real reward. The game reinforced by NFTs and metaverse is gaining momentum. It can be an unavailably exciting and rewarding experience. Socialogue is about to offer a variety of games created by us other developers, hosted in one place, reached with any device by using Socialogue Hub. And this is the detail of a roadmap. Quarter 1 and Quarter 3 2021, conducting deep market research, setting the legal matters, designing Socialogue platform, implementing the experience of top-notch advisors. And this is Quarter 4 2021, the release of NFTs collection and the launch of Socialogue beta, integration of blockchain into the platform, NFT airdrop, establishment of DAO Senate, and they are moving forward. And this is Socialogue team. They are working with Immutable, Ethereum, MetaMask and React Native. And this is the FAQ section. You can read all queries and their answers. And these are the social links to follow: Twitter, Discord, Medium, Facebook, Instagram. You can also read their white paper here and their white paper in detail about this project. So this is the end of the video. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.